If you use MSN email and want to keep your inbox organized, creating a folder is one of the easiest things you can do. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a folder in MSN email step by step, so you can sort messages, separate important conversations, and make your inbox much easier to manage. This is a quick and simple tutorial, so if it helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful email guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Outlook.com in your browser and sign in to your MSN email account. Since MSN email is now managed through Outlook, this is where you'll find all your folder options. Once your mailbox loads, look at the side panel on the left side of the screen where your email folders are listed. You should see items like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and other default folders. Now, find the area where your email address or folder list appears. Click on the three dots in that side panel. This opens up more options for managing your folders and mailbox settings. If you do not see the dots right away, take a moment to make sure you are in the main mail view and not inside a specific message. After clicking the three dots, you will see an option that says Create New Folder. Click that option to begin making your new folder. A small pop-up window will appear asking you to enter a folder name. This is where you decide what you want to organize, such as work, school, receipts, orders, important, or anything else that fits your email system. Type in the name you want for the folder. Try to choose a name that is short, clear, and easy to remember. For example, if you want to save shopping confirmations, you can name the folder Shopping. If you want to keep track of bills, you can name it Bills. Once you type the name, confirm it by pressing Enter or selecting the Create option, depending on what appears on your screen. As soon as the folder is created, it will appear in your folder list. You can now click on your new folder to open it and make sure it was added correctly. From here, you can start moving emails into that folder whenever you want. This helps keep your inbox clean and makes it much faster to find messages later. You can also create multiple folders if needed and organize them however works best for you. Many people create separate folders for work, personal messages, newsletters, receipts, and important mail. The more organized your mailbox is, the easier it becomes to manage everything without feeling overwhelmed. And that's it. You now know how to create a folder in MSN email. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a huge difference in how you handle your inbox every day. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.